I'm Eliza Paul, and I studied the Master of Science in Civil Engineering at the University of Houston, and I graduated in 1988. I've been working with Texas Department of Transportation for over 36 and a half years. You know, I came from overseas. I was originally born in Hong Kong, and then I got my first degree in England. So I just came from England, you know, to Houston over here, and not knowing a lot of people at the university at all. So being new to the university, I was able to make a lot of new friends, you know, get involved in a lot of the university's activities, and really make a family of friends that some of them becomes our lifelong friends at the University of Houston. It has been a great experience for me and also my husband. We actually met each other at the University of Houston. We were both graduate students at the time. And so we spent a lot of time at the school being a graduate student. So you were doing a lot of work, but at the same time, you're also meeting a lot of new people and making a lot of great friends. You know, being an engineering student, it gives me the analytical skills. One of the things that it gives me, not just the geotechnical or the structural or the thermodynamics or anything like that, but it gives you a very basic analytical skills. You know, engineers are able to collect data, collect all the information, and analyze it, and then come out with a solution. One of the biggest accomplishments is, for me, is working on the I-45 and HHIP project. You know, it's a huge project. It's an $8 or $9 billion project that goes from 59 all the way to Beltway 8 on I-45. The ultimate goal of the project is really the reconstruction and the widening of the I-45 corridor. The I-45 corridor is a very old freeway. You know, it was built in the 60s, so it's a very old freeway. It really doesn't meet today's design standard, and there's a huge drainage improvement that we can put in the project. If we build this project, it will include a lot of the flooding issues in the surrounding area. Some of the houses that is currently in the floodplain, we could move them out of the floodplain by doing this project. So there's a lot of tremendous improvement. One of my really proudest moments in my career, in the last probably 3 to 5 years, I've been spending a lot of time training my employees, you know, because I know that I'm going to retire one of these days, and there are a lot of new people in textile. You know, the baby boomer generation, we lost a lot of expertise in textile with the knowledge, with years and years of experience in the knowledge of building highways and how to get the project progress. So for the last couple of years, I've been training our designer, I've been training our area engineers. The area engineers are the ones in textile that actually are responsible for all the construction, design, and maintenance for a certain region. I think University of Houston enabled both myself and my husband to prosper. You know, when we first started working over here, we really don't have very much except our big dreams and everything like that. And we were able to utilize the knowledge that we learned from University of Houston and be successful in our career. My husband is a state rep, and he was able to do what he likes to do to be able to serve the state of Texas. TxDOT is responsible for all the freeway system and also all the FM roads. And our mission in TxDOT is connecting you with Texas. And for me, I was able to work for TxDOT all 36 years, which I enjoyed very much. I love working for TxDOT. I told my husband before that I want to work for a big company, and he told me that, well, you can't get any bigger than working for the state of Texas. You know, that's as big as you can get.